Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious chocolate milkshake. First, gather your ingredients: milk, chocolate ice cream, and chocolate syrup. You'll also need a blender and a tall glass. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick dessert or a refreshing snack. Let's get started on creating this classic treat. For the perfect chocolate milkshake, you'll need 1 cup of cold whole milk. Next, add 2 generous scoops of your favorite chocolate ice cream. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of rich chocolate syrup for that extra flavor boost. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and quick preparation process, making your milkshake creation effortless and enjoyable. Once your ingredients are in the blender, secure the lid tightly. Start blending on a low setting, then gradually increase to high. Blend for about 30 to 45 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If any ingredients stick to the sides, pause and scrape them down before continuing to blend. After blending, carefully pour your perfectly smooth chocolate milkshake into a tall glass. For an extra touch, you can top it with whipped cream and a cherry, or simply add a straw. This delightful treat is best enjoyed immediately while it's still cold and thick. Savor every sip of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.